Okay, this is gonna be beautiful. I hope. Oh, come on. Where is it? Where's the plane? Hold on. Hold on. I know I can't find it in my video screen. Silly.
Oh my god.
What in the heck? Where is the plane in my video screen? Why do all the clouds seem so weird through my video screen? That was terrible filming. Okay, where's my lights? Where are they? Where are you, little buggers? Come on, where are you? I know that's not one of them. There. Okay, here he is. All right, I'm trying to compare with the clouds and see how much brighter it seems to look, like it's reflecting more light. And here, the other one was down a little ways. Let me see if I can see him. Oh, he's inside this cloud, literally. Well, I mean, like, I'm sure it's behind it, but see how much brighter he is than the cloud. Hey, try to get more sun. Than the cloud around him. And then I'm gonna pan out.
Far?
No, dude, look, there's two of them, and they're just hovering.
What are those?
I don't know yet. That's why I'm filming them.
They might be like this.
Alright, I was finally able to get this in focus. I tried to get this thing with... That's my hand moving, by the way. I tried to get it with an airplane going past to try to give some depth comparison, maybe, I guess you might say. Anyway, let me zoom out just a little again. So that's number one. He's the brighter of the two, like closer to me. The one was still right about here somewhere, but almost impossible to see now. Peace out.